going to be cooking, we are going to be cooking with Lady Lulu. And what we're going to be cooking is pancit. And my mom read this book to me, and Cora cooks pancit, and it even has the recipe. So if you get the book, you can get the recipe too, or watch this video. So I think the foods you will need are snow peas, cabbage, lemon, onion, cut up lemon, chicken, and we're going to need some rice. Rice noodles, and we're going to put the rice noodles in the cup, like a bowl. And we're gonna put first we're gonna get the bowl, and then we're gonna put chicken broth in with water, and then we're going to put in the rice noodles, and then we're gonna soak in there. So while it's soaking, and the other material you're going to need is a cutting board and a knife.
Don't forget to ask for your parents' help with the knife, right?
Yep. My mom reminded me.
And what kind of food is pancit, Lady Lulu?
Oh, it's the kind of food pancit is it's Filipino food. Pancit is a Filipino dish, and it's a tradition, and I learned it from my grandma, which is Filipino. I just want to say hi to my Filipino friends and my family in the Philippines, especially to Zoe, Cian, Eliza, Justin, Sandra, and Zylea. And now let's get moving to our cooking. This step to make pancit is we're going to use our mallet to shred the chicken. So let's do this. Yeah! We're shredding the chicken with our mallet. Don't use the pointy side because that's the wrong side to use. We want to use this side. Now we're going to shred it. Shred the chicken. Just like this. Put it into a bowl. Good chicken. Next, you're going to need to cut cabbage, onion, and some garlic. And then we're going to saute, which means cook. Then we're going to cook the cabbage, the onion, and the garlic until they are soft. Then we're going to take handfuls of our onions, cabbage, and our garlic. We're going to put with a spoon. Just like this, guys. Don't want to get burned. Slowly, guys. We need to get all the vegetables coated in oil while they cook. Oh, you can hear it sizzling. Oh my God. Oh, I added some salt and pepper, and we're going to cook it until the vegetables are soft. Those are pretty soft to me. So it's time to add the next ingredient. Next ingredients we are adding are the chicken, the snow peas, soy sauce which we have over there, and we need to add some broth. So let's do the chicken. My mom's gonna assist me. Easily just do that. Then we're going to dump in our snow peas. That's easy as pie. Oh my god, this smells fast. Oh, a little bit more. You don't want to drop the bowl. There. And in there, then we're going to add our soy sauce. Our bit of soy sauce. So we have this little measuring cup. Ooh. Wow. And last.
No.
Oh, I forgot. My mom reminded me we have to stir it up. Oh, look. Now we're going to add our rice noodles. We're going to dump it in like the snow peas. Oh. Oh. Okay, now that is in, let's put this in there. Next I'm going to add the broth. Let's dump it in. Now we are going to stir it. I'm stirring this up. I kind of switched my stir because that one was taking a bit too long. This one we're gonna take it and put it on top. Take it and put it on top. Thank you. Look at that. This looks good, guys. Real good. We almost got to the eating part. Actually, yeah, we're almost at the eating part. Ooh, let's see that. Mmm, this smells amazing. I can't wait to plate it and eat it for lunch. Mmm. Bon appetit. We are going to eat now. Bye. It's so much fun cooking with you. Bye.